how to add an event reminder on Instagram post. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply put an event reminder on an Instagram post. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go and land on this kind of a page or similar page. So what you have to do is go into the add a post icon or just tap on it or just create a new post by tapping on that plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, a gallery would open up. It is totally up to you, or it's your choice if you want to go into the camera mode or you want to pick some picture from a gallery. For example, this is a picture which I choose. I go on to the next option. Once again, I select and I edit the post and I go on to the next. Here, I have to write a caption, or just beneath it, there is this option of tag people. Under tag a people, the persons who have their Instagram updated would get this add a reminder option, in which you guys can simply add a reminder. You guys can set up the date and time, and hence you will eventually be getting to know about the event reminder. So this is how you put an event reminder on an Instagram post. It is very easy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. Till next time, peace.